Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix privacy coin transactions with Monero, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have a Monero wallet set up and functioning. Download the latest version of the Monero wallet from the official website. Install the wallet on your device following the provided instructions. Once installed, open the wallet and allow it to sync with the Monero network. Next, navigate to the Send tab in your wallet. Enter the recipient's Monero address accurately in the designated field. Input the amount of Monero you wish to send. Double-check all the transaction details, including the address and amount. Add a payment ID if requested or if the recipient requires one for their wallet. Review the transaction fee estimations, and adjust if necessary based on your urgency. Click on the Send button to initiate the transaction. Wait for the transaction to be confirmed by checking the transaction details in your wallet. If you encounter issues, check for common errors such as incorrect recipient address or insufficient balance. You may also verify the status of your transaction on a Monero block explorer. For added privacy, consider using a VPN when transacting with Monero. If your transaction does not appear, check for network connectivity issues. If problems persist, consulting the Monero community forums may provide additional support. Finally, ensure your wallet is updated regularly for optimal security and performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.